There is a major change coming to the real estate market for both buyers and sellers, and I'm going to tell you guys all about it. First, I'm Alexander Wong. Welcome back to the third edition of the Real Estate Weekly, where we share actionable tips, insights, and updates on the New Jersey real estate market. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, today I'm going to share you guys some important updates regarding the NAR settlement that will impact how we will be doing business together in the state of New Jersey. This will be beginning in August of this year, where real estate agents listing properties on our system, where all the properties are listed on, called the MLS, will now need to enter into a written agreement with buyers before touring homes. And also, this excludes the buyer's compensation off of our MLS system. So these agreements will outline the agent's compensation and must include whether a specific disclosure of that amount or rate, compensation terms that are clear and objective, let's say a flat fee, hourly rate, percentage, a term prohibiting the agent from receiving compensation above the amount agreed upon, and a statement that brokers' fees and commissions are fully negotiable. Now, I just want to make one thing very clear here with the words that I am saying. Commissions were always negotiable in the state of New Jersey. They were never a set fee, and as well as the buyer agency agreement has always been around, but you weren't required to use it, and that is about to change. So, there are also some changes in how offers of compensations can be communicated. As I mentioned, they are no longer allowed on the MLS system. And sellers can offer buyers concessions on the MLS, such as your closing costs. And sellers can still offer compensation off of an MLS. So a seller can still cooperate with a buyer by offering them a commission. Now, so what does this mean for you guys? If you are a buyer, you will now be required to sign into a written agreement with your agent before touring a home, both in person and virtually. You don't need a written agreement just to talk to an agent at an open house or about their services. Now, always, an agent's commission is always negotiable. And when you're choosing an agent, just make sure to ask about what services they provide, what compensation they're having, and the written agreements, and to go over it in detail with your agent and see if you're the right fit. Now, if you have any questions about anything, I'm always here to help you. Link will be down below to the article. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about buying, selling, anything in the state of New Jersey, I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. You can feel free to reach out to me at 908-415-3001 or alexandersellsnj@outlook.com. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and week. Stay cool. 100 degrees today. It's a little rough, but it's okay. Stay hydrated. I hope you guys have a good one. See you later.